Hey guys, Adam from Collier Miller. We're here with one of our grader boards today, ideal for prepping up grounds for row cropping. Collier Miller, we manufacture multiple different types of grader boards, our smallest one starting off at a 35 and our biggest up to a 52. This one here is a 40. We also do a forward fold model. This one here we call our standard. As a minimum for a 35 footer, we recommend 150 horsepower. Depending on tractor machine's rear drawbar, we can change these over to a smaller bore bush if required. So this model here requires 3 sets of remotes. That runs for the operation of our blade when we swing it out to 90 degrees, along with our wheel supports and also our crowding. So our hydraulic lines run down into our bar here, which then funnels down to our bar and then come out and distribute to all our other ports. Easy access for all our greasing points. With our grader boards, they're all fitted with replaceable cutting edges, which you'll find back at Collier Miller when you need to change over. When we're back to transport mode, we fit back under with the transport for 2.5 metres, approximately 3 to 5 minutes to fold in and out. So this here is our transport lock for when we're running up the road. To unlock it, we simply latch that up, and this is able to lift out of the moving around for working conditions. After transport, these wheels lift all the way up for easier access for when we're running out in the fields. So we run heavy duty axles across the whole board, all suited with 15-inch tyres. Makes easier for when we need to change over to a standard. Recommended 50 PSI for all tyres. With our design team, they've manufactured these so we can actually run the depth wheels on the very front, or we can flip them over onto the back. You've got to move this ratchet ram, which then spins this up and over, and then gets reconnected on the bottom lug. So with our sideboards, these are fully adjustable. We can mount these on the ends, which will actually stop the soil from falling out the side and any spillage. With the structural design throughout the grader board and the manoeuvrability, these boards won't disappoint.